Hello, we are on Photoshop. I have taken that image for editing, so let's apply the changes here. We have done with it. Now apply further borders, and there is the further addition using the mixer of channels and get a great color combination here. And there is the filter. In distort, I will use the twirl. So I will get the image in this way. You can see now. Now there are the filters we can apply. That one, it's a saturation here.